Good evening, my awesome friends. I'm doing two little fairy gardens today for Halloween. This is one, and I'm going to show you the second one in just a second. Hope you come and watch the video, my dear friends. Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. It is Halloween time, and it's time to do some miniature Halloween themes. Now, I want you to carefully look at this beautiful, beautiful animal. Is she not beautiful with her beautiful bonnet and roses? But look carefully, it's not a horse. I thought it was a horse at first, but what does the horse have? It's a unicorn. Horses do not have horns in the front of their heads, only unicorns. Oh my gosh, have you ever seen a unicorn skeleton before? Well, now you have, and you can see all the magic all about her. Her beautiful tail and her beautiful mane, and of course her beautiful rose hat, and of course the beautiful crystals coming out of it, because she is a star. The total cost for this display is $15. Yes, only $15, because the container that it's setting in I already own, the plants around it I already had, and these are cuttings off of my plants that I let dried out to use for this display. Do they not look spooky enough for you? I thought they would. And they look great right next to my beautiful table and chair set with the little bats on the back of the chairs and the spider web at the bottom of the table. I hope you love this spooky little Halloween vignette I put together today. I thought it looked pretty good to me. Let me know what you thought, my dear friends. Always love hearing from you. Always love hearing your opinions. And let me know, have you ever seen a unicorn skeleton before? I have never seen it before. Oh my gosh, wasn't this wonderful today? Well, I wonder what else Grandma might find and can do. Don't forget, let me know what you thought of this $15 miniature garden or vignette or whatever you want to call it. And let's see what else I can put together. Just wanted to share with you this beautiful gift that one of my friends from work gave me named June. Isn't it a beautiful piece? And the funny thing is, I just put a piece of yellow paper behind the globe, and it made it look like a moon was behind the pumpkin. Didn't it? I thought it turned out super cute. I just thought I would share with you the different things you can do to make something look different just by using a little different background or paper. This was such a cute piece, and I love it, so I can't wait to take it home and try to recreate some more scenes with it. Well, just stay tuned, there's more to come. Another gift from one of my friends, June from work. Isn't it beautiful? I thought it was such a great little haunted house. It's got a pumpkin here on top and a skeleton. And so dark, I don't know if you can see all the detail work on here. Let me see if I can turn it around and get better lighting. Always helps to have better lighting, better angle. Look at all the detail work. Isn't it beautiful? A nice little haunted house to scare everybody for Halloween. I just loved it. And it had a lot of beautiful detail work on it, didn't it? As you can see, the detail work all the way around. Here you can see the bricks peeking through in the orange color and yellow. Here on the back, what it looks like. Is it not beautiful? All the wonderful detail work, I just loved it. And even a couple little stars in there. Isn't the snow globe so pretty for Halloween? And on this side you can see the little bricks peeking through also, and seeing all the things floating around in the water. Isn't it beautiful? So full of detail. Well, I'm going to do a little short video out here in the garden, but I'll probably in a couple days take it in the house and put it in a Halloween vignette on the cozy corner. So let's go see how it looks out here in the garden. Well, I just thought I would share with you what it looks like out here in the garden. We have a little bit of plants around it, and I'm going to put it in a cute vignette in the house, and I'm sure it will look a lot better in the house. I think it's just too small for this container to really show how beautiful it really is. But in a nice vignette, it will look gorgeous. So come back in a few days and we'll have it in a little vignette, and it will look beautiful. But you can still see the detail work pretty good on it, can't you? I love the haunted mansion. It does look really good. A little on the scary side when you look at the skull. But when you come up here and you see the pumpkin's big smile, it doesn't look scary hardly at all anymore. Look at how happy he looks to see us. I can't wait to share more about this piece. And I'm going to do a couple different things with it for we can enjoy it. So don't forget, I'm going to put it in a Halloween vignette to make it the star. And thank you, June, for buying me such a cute piece. And I'm going to do it 2 or 3 different ways because I do love it. And it is a really cute piece. And I just don't think I've done justice to it out here in the garden. But I think putting it in a great Halloween vignette will be great. Well, thank you all for stopping by. Thank you for all your love and support, guys. I'm so glad that you've enjoyed these little miniature gardens. Don't forget, Grandma always comes up with something. And there's always something new and different here.